Okay, just to demonstrate you, uh, I have logged in with the Twitter account also. So here you can see the 0 Ethereum. Now I have copied the address and paste it, or if you just switch it to your this account, and it will come, this wallet will come automatically here. So now click on send request. Let's open it also. Oh, here it is. We are rich now. So we get zero point 0.1 Ethereum. Now let's try this one. I have also logged in here and click on OK. Okay, now we got 0.2 gold Ethereum, which is for 265 USD. So don't be happy, it's just a test account. So let's move on.